In this video, we're going to be showing you how to clean your agates with citric acid. I'm primarily going to be cleaning these 4 Lake Superior agates that I recently found in a Minnesota river. I know they're dry. I'll be showing these all wet at the end to expose their agate goodness. I'm mostly excited about this one and its amazing bands. They're all pretty burned with river scum, so let's clean them up. So I put all my agates in a small bucket, then added enough water so they were almost submerged. I then added in extra stones to bring up the water level and to clean up a few other dirty agates. For every cup of water added, which was 4 cups, I added a tablespoon of citric acid. I bought this citric acid at Target for a few dollars. Next, I gave it a shake to mix it up. I ended up using my hands. That worked much better. Then I let them soak for 3 days. After each day, I mixed up the citric acid and moved the stones around. After the 3rd day, I cleaned them off and put them again in hot water and added baking soda to neutralize them. Let's look at some before and afters of them dry. Again, I'll be showing them wet to really show off their beauty. So here they all are wet. This one cleaned up a lot, but didn't expose many details. I'll either cut or tumble this one. This one also didn't expose many bands, but the quartz really cleaned up nice. This big moss agate has so many beautiful details. It's one of the best moss agates in my collection. And my favorite from this batch, all the bands and details are so spectacular. Definitely one of my top Lake Superior agates. If you want to see where I found these agates, click the video on the screen. Thanks for watching and happy cleaning.